So my name is Avak Avakian. I am the project manager at 3DVinci Creations. We are one of the leading 3D printing service companies in the UAE. So we have a few different types of machines. The technologies varies anywhere from FDM machines to SLA machines to polyjet machines and multi-jet machines. So the difference is that some of the materials are powder-based, which can accommodate color. And then the other ones would be very high detailed models, for example, used for jewelry and engineering and even medical models such as dental. And then the more simple and cheaper alternative is the FDM machines. The FDM machines are plastic filament machines. They're desktop printers, which you can create very fast and very cheap prototypes for clients. What's special about 3DVinci is simple. We connect to our client in a way that a lot of other companies don't, which means that the client comes as a priority. The client comes to us with a request. And it doesn't mean that the most expensive solution is the best solution. We come up with an economic solution in a very, very timely manner. We don't just stick to artistic models. We work with engineers, we work with the defense industry, we work with architects to make sure that their vision actually becomes a reality. And that is the essence of what 3D printing is, to be able to produce parts which previously would not be possible.